Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily sync contacts from Gmail to your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into settings, then scroll down until you find contacts. Here it is, and right here you can tap add accounts. It shows you all the accounts including your iCloud or Gmail or some other accounts, and if you want to add some new Gmail account here you need to tap add account, then select Google, and on the next step it will ask you to enter your Gmail login and Gmail password, and after that your Gmail account will be added right here. As you can see, I got a Gmail account right there, so I can just get into it to show you how it will looks like. And right here all you have to do is just make sure that contacts feature is enabled. So if that switcher turns on, that means that contacts syncing is enabled at your device. You can easily check it. Just get into your contacts right here. At the top left hand corner you can hit add list to see a different lists of your contacts, and right here you can easily find that Gmail list. The most of my contacts are from Gmail, so you can hit right there and check all that contacts, and that definitely means that Gmail contact syncing with your iPhone is enabled. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.